her to the side, might make her earn it. Shawty got it going on, she can be a burden. Yeah, she can be a burden. You know girls that want attention.
Supreme Squad, what's up? It's your boy AJ back with another reaction. And as you can see already that we about to react to Win. No, wait a minute, I'm wrong. This is called ArcScore Ending Racism. I couldn't really think of it. It was stuck in my head. But anyway, man, we about to react to that. I want to see what y'all think, man. So after this video, comment what y'all think, man, because it just looks funny already, man. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new and click that bell, man. Let's get into the video. Let's go.
Nigger.
Wait, what?
Hold up. Nigger. Hold up.
Wait, what?
Nigger. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet and call with your ass.
Oh, I didn't even read it.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 niggers in my slave house.
His face, man. That's funny, bro.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to whip you down.
Oh my God. Who sung this stuff?
Ready to whip you down. You got some damn music, man, sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. You know,
That boy fried.
You crackers fucking all your brothers and sisters, yeah. You tried to kill your own mom, you need help. You shot the middle school up
Oh my God.
yourself. You can't even season no meat, you need help. I know what'll make them crackers go crazy. I be running through their neighborhoods daily. Y'all be fucking monkeys cause y'all started HIV. They don't fuck with Jordans, they just wear Heelys.
Oh my God. Oh, we.
Android. You cracks be having babies by your black cousin. I be laughing when I see a redneck homeless. Boy, I thought your white skin was a bonus. Shake my head. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending that quiet ass call with your ass. Yeah, bro, I got the slaps. Take me back to slavery so I can rape these nigger ladies.
Wait.
Me a little slave boo. Little slave boo.
This dude face be having me weak, man.
Take me back to slavery cause I've been feeling racist lately. I just need me a nigger or two. Sometimes I wonder what. Man, you got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. Time.
Hey, I love Metro on that beat.
These crackers don't know how to season chicken. That's why I don't trust them in the kitchen. And maybe it's no bunny who gon' listen. Cause these black girls always fucking bitchin'. Racist police always wanna write some tickets. Boy, I was going 45 and a 50. They hanging niggas up in Mississippi. That's why I gotta keep a cracker vision. Now you got some music on your phone sending it quiet and club with your ass. You already know.
Hey, woke up to niggas talking like me talk.
You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave. You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton pick. Woke up to niggas at skate fish. Woke up to niggas picking cotton pick. Woke up to niggas at skate. Woke up. I woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up.
I can't really hear that one.
Niggas at skate. Woke up. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. Woke up to niggas at skate fish. Ooh, I think they running. Yeah, they running. You got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. What kind of question was that? Rednecks, fucking rednecks. rednecks. Fuck them rednecks, yeah.
Dude, they reaction be the funniest, man.
They fuck their kids and they fuck their pets. Bad salts, meth and bad salts, meth, bad salts, meth and bad salts.
Oh my God, man.
Rednecks, fuck them rednecks. Fuck them. They fuck their kids and they fuck their pets. Yeehaw.
Alright, y'all, man. I'm gonna end that video right there, dude. I'm gonna do the part 2 later. But anyway, man, if y'all liked this video, if y'all laughed, I know y'all laughed at one of them. Probably not all of them, but at one of them y'all did. But if y'all did, y'all gotta give me a like. Alright, like this video and subscribe if you new. And click that bell, because I'm doing a Christmas giveaway. Probably a day before Christmas. On Christmas Eve, I'll do a Christmas giveaway. So make sure y'all click that bell, man. Wait for that. And stay tuned, man, because I'll post every day from now on. I've been posting every day. So go watch my last videos, man. Subscribe, like, click the bell. I'm out. Peace.
Every day we lit, yeah.